Hi guys, this is Mira Ozems. Welcome to my channel. So today I filmed this look with this gorgeous beads from Africa. So I filmed this look and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I filmed this look, please keep on watching, okay?
So you need your needle, thread and rubber, and you want to measure around the chair that you're using or anything you want to use. Then you want to sew the rubber together with needle and thread. Then you put it, and then I'm using expression today. I'm gonna cut it into two, and you want to prepare your hair. Prepare it, and then I'm using Blue Magic Cream. I'm gonna rub it all over the hair, and then I'll comb it through with my weave-on brush. Then you want to start plaiting into that rubber that you've prepared, and then just same old thing that we do. Then you want to start sewing the hair into your wig cap. Same thing we do, guys, same thing we do, same thing, just sew and sew and sew and sew. So I had already plaited the other side, so I'm doing this other side, as you can see. So you just plait, that's it, just plait, you know, follow the pattern and do what you want to do with it. I used a very old closure. You can use a new one, the newer the better. Like when it's new, the hair sits properly, but this closure I didn't want to throw it away. I thought, okay, I'll use it for this. And you can use any kind of closure you want, really, as long as it does the job. Any closure would do the job. Yeah, so just use any closure you want. And this hair I used 3 packs of color 350, yeah, to do it. So that's it, guys, but that's basically how I achieved this look. I hope you enjoyed this hair. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I didn't want to just film it for filming's sake. I wanted people to watch it and enjoy it, and I'm still learning through this process. I'll get by. So guys, in case if you're wondering what I've got at the back of my hand, is the Blue Magic Cream that we used earlier when we were starting. So it's nothing crazy. I don't want anyone saying, oh my goodness, what has she got at the back of her hand? It's just the cream that we use. So I normally put it at the back of my hand in case my hand gets dry, so I can just touch it a little bit and then get on with what I'm doing. So it's just the cream, guys, okay? Yes.
Right, we've come to the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. So yeah, this is the end product of the hair. I will stand up so you see what the hair actually looks like. So this is what it is. Yeah, thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching to the end. Do not forget to subscribe, okay, so I know you stopped by. Okay, bye.